Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Kingsburg, local and long distance movers near me. We ensure that your long distance move occurs in a timely manner with no worry. Whether you're moving just one state over or you want to move across the nation, we're here to help you. Our moving solutions give you all the best choices to customize your move for your particular needs. In addition to loading, transportation, and unloading, our experts also provide many other moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a local California moving company may seem unnecessary initially. When you look into the main advantages you get, the cost may be a lot easier to deal with. You're going to definitely save time with your local relocation when you work with a moving company. Movers can also ensure that you don't have to handle any of the heavy lifting. Our team of qualified movers will certainly ensure that your move is quite efficient. You never have to stress over spending several days to take care of moving when you select 3 movers to help. It does not matter how big your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kingsburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.